Hello everyone, my name is David Selvidge, and I'm an instructor of Additive Manufacturing here at Somerset Community College. You may know the field of additive manufacturing by the term 3D printing. These names are nearly interchangeable. At times, we simply use one over the other when targeting different sectors of industry. Our primary goal at the Additive Manufacturing Center is to promote 3D printing technology to as many students, communities, and industry leaders as we can. In recent years, we've had great success exposing folks to the benefits of additive manufacturing. Many of them begin our classes with no experience in 3D printing. Some of them have never even seen a 3D printer until they visit our lab. We can teach these students and workforce participants the very basics of 3D printing, all the way to advanced engineering mechanics related to 3D printed parts. They can learn to design specifically for additive production and gain experience over a wide range of equipment. Once students learn our methods and gain this experience, the question really becomes, how can I take advantage of this innovative technology? Many large-scale corporations in fields like automotive and aerospace engineering are adopting additive manufacturing practices, and there are countless employment opportunities to showcase 3D printing skills in that type of environment. Recently, you may have even seen our video discussing the potential perks of changing careers and how changing to a career in additive manufacturing is specifically relevant today. But maybe you're looking for more personal applications for 3D printing. It's a field that has skyrocketed in popularity thanks to, in large part, hobbyists around the world. Today, most people probably see 3D printing as a hobby rather than a means of making millions. Not that that's out of the question. We get it. In fact, we think that tinkering with 3D printing as a hobby is a great way to spur innovation and express creativity. But wouldn't it be nice if our hobbies, the things that we do for fun, could add a little cash in our pocket too? Using your skills and experience in 3D printing as a side hustle can turn into a very profitable venture. Take this news story, for example. Athena, a Canadian author, purchased one 3D printer with her husband a couple of years ago. Her passion for this hobby quickly bloomed into a full-fledged business. And now her company, Homemade Homes 3D Prints, makes custom designs ranging from cookie cutters to motorcycle parts. That's the kind of personal success we strive for in our program. Our 16 credit hour certification even incorporates a business administration class to help students prepare for the financial aspects of 3D printing. I used to teach middle school math, and lately we've been able to host several tours with students from that age group. When they visit, I like to grab their attention and then give them a good old-fashioned word problem. If they could sell a 3D printed lightsaber like this for $10, and I don't think that's a stretch, how many would they need to sell to pay for a $300 3D printing setup? I can see the wheels turning as they count up all the family members and friends who'd be willing to cough up a 10. And even if they don't consider Etsy or the Peddler's Mart and they can't get to 30 right then and there, a light bulb usually goes off. A decent 3D printer may seem like a big investment, especially to a 12-year-old, but it doesn't take long to recoup that initial cost. And once those first lightsabers or cookie cutters or motorcycle grips are sold, everything else is profit. I hope you see the value in 3D printing or additive manufacturing technologies. Whether you're looking for an exciting new career path, a profitable side hustle, or just an engaging hobby, there are so many opportunities available in this field. If you'd like to learn more about our program, feel free to reach out to us directly through Somerset Community College. You can also scan the flow code below to stay up to date on the exciting work we've got going on. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with anyone who might be interested and help take part in promoting this innovative technology around the world. Have a great day.